Alright, story time, guys. So basically, we're at Hahe Studio, alright? And we know our train is at 6:18. But this guy, okay, fine. This guy, no. This guy, okay, this guy was busy trying to airdrop her stuff.
Yeah, wait.
It didn't even go through.
Wait, it did.
Oh, it did. Okay,
Yeah.
sure. So we missed our train for the sake of the airdrop. Okay,
Well,
but okay, whatever.
You were writing stuff. I saw you writing.
Dude, I was ready to go. already.
I was like,
Dude.
I was just waiting for like
I was
for the airdrop to finish so we could go.
Oh my god, okay, that's not the point. Alright, so right now, we missed our train at Amsterdam Central, which will get us to Germany and on the way to Rome.
Yeah.
So right now, our next option is to get to Schiphol Airport and
Take to
don't know what
Netherlands.
the fuck. So right now, from this point on in our Euro journey,
Yeah.
fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Because wait. Because this guy.
No, wait. Okay.
Okay. Alright. Fuck you. We missed the train. We missed the fuck. Okay, honestly, right? It's about the story.
1 minute late.
Wait, I'm not that hot. Just a bit. Like, enough to power a city.
Oh my god.
Hello, friends. We're now currently on the train ride to Venlo. Oh, are you feeling the waffle, mate?
Oh yeah.
Are you feeling it? Yeah.
The waffle.
What's it called?
It's called a strip waffle.
Strip waffle.
If you don't have this, you haven't been to Amsterdam, so you gotta have these.
Oh my god. That's beautiful, man. It's like waffles with syrup inside. It's beautiful. Like, beautiful, man. Stroop waffles. Right, that's it, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Stroop waffles. Oh yeah. Time for a train update. So basically, we took the train out from the Amsterdam like city all the way to Venlo, which is in the Netherlands somewhere, God knows where.
Yeah, it was a 2-hour ride.
2 hour ride. Best part is we got down. We had 2 minutes to get the next train.
We didn't know where it was, so we had to ask someone, and then they were like, "Oh, you're just 2 minutes left," and we're like, "Fuck."
Yes. So we fucking ran. We ran. The train was about to take off. We pushed the button. We got in. We made it. We made it, man. Now time to hit it, Dusseldorf, Germany.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, man. See you guys in our final destination is Rome. So we'll be updating you the journey and stuff. Train adventures, boy.
Yeah, train
Hell yeah.
adventures.
Hey man, what's up, dude? Where we at right now?
You know, just casually traveling the world. Currently at Dusseldorf,
Dusseldorf, Germany.
Germany.
You wanna get some German food?
Hell yeah.
Awesome, yeah. So basically we just got on the train.
Don't forget the German beer.
German beer.
Yeah.
Oh my god, is that some? Oh shit, I thought that was a guy taking a picture of us. What the hell?
Oh, that's... Yo, what the fuck?
Yeah, holy shit. Anyway, alright, so we're here. We took the train. Okay, we came from Amsterdam. Now we're in Germany. We're gonna stop over and get some food.
Yeah.
And then we'll head down to Switzerland. So, see you guys soon. It's cold and I'm very nasal right now, but don't worry, don't worry.
I'll give him a cuddle.
Oh, so sweet. I love Shubi.
I love you too.
Alright, so right now we're in Dusseldorf, Germany. We're grabbing some dinner, and then we're gonna go to it's hot. And then we're gonna go to
Basel.
Switzerland, right?
Basel.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? Say hi, guys.
Hey. What's up, homie?
We're in Switzerland right now. And we're ready. As soon as we get off the train, we're gonna run and catch the next one to Milan. Are you excited?
Like in 10 minutes, but
Like,
listen, I don't know. We have to figure out which platform.
Alright, basically we made it to Italy, but we're still in Milan right now. And as you can see behind me, this train station is fucking beautiful. And we will be going to get some food right now, reserve our tickets, and then on our way to Rome.
Big man.
Big man. Big man.
No, he said big man.
Big man. Big man. I'm a big man.